This movie presents how to list the components of the profile elements. We can see a 3D detail on the screen now. The balustrades are modeled with profile elements. Let's see how to list the glass and timber parts of these elements. Select one of the balustrades first. Right-click and select Show Selection from the context menu, or press F5. Let's zoom in to the single balustrade and select it again. Right-click and from the context menu, select Edit Selected Complex Profile to open the element in the Profile Manager. Here we can find the section and components of the editable profile. Let's activate the List Component Area checkbox for each component whose area you would like to list. After selecting the timber and glass components, check the checkbox, and their areas will be included in the schedule. Leave the glass support metalwork and the metal handrail unchecked for now, as their skin areas are not relevant at this time. Click Store Profile to save the changes and close the Profile Manager. In the Navigator project map, right-click the Schedules, Component Container, and select New Schedule from the pop-up. The Scheme Settings and Add Schedule Scheme dialogs appear at the same time. In the Add Schedule Scheme dialog, select the Duplicate Radio button and select the All Component Schedule template. Enter Profile Components for the name and click OK. On the Criteria panel, click the Add button. Select Structure Type for the criteria and select Complex Profile for the value from the pop-up lists. Click the Add button again and choose Complex Profile for the criteria. For its value, choose the glass balustrade profile type. Collapse the Criteria panel now. From the Fields panel, remove the ID and add the Building Material Composite Profile field parameter from the general container. Change the order of the parameters. Move the new one for the first and the Skin component area for the third. Let's activate the flag icon for the name and the Sum icon for the Skin component area. Click OK to execute the changes and leave the dialog. In the Navigator project map, we can now find the newly created Profile Components list. Let's double-click to open it. Here we can see the glass and timber areas of all the glass balustrades from the project. Metal handrail and metalwork are not listed according to the previously defined scheme settings.